Hey guys, Head Dog here. And today I thought I'd do a video about what would happen if I opened up my clan. So right now my clan is at 1200 closed, so we're going to put it to anyone can join, 0 trophies. We're just going to wait and see if anyone joins. Oh, we got 1, 2, 3 people right away. I don't even know. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, we gotta stop now. We don't want all these noobs in the clan. So, closed. What the hell? Oh, gotta kick all these people out. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. That was a bad idea. That was actually a really bad idea. Marquell. Kick you out. This guy, kick out. Gotta kick you out. Kick out. Jay, kick out. This guy, kick out. I do not know how this many people found out about the clan. This is crazy. This is really crazy. I had no idea this would happen. Oh, how did these people find out about our clan? I'm just so amazed about this. This is crazy. I thought I kicked Mina out. Kick out Mina. Okay, so how many people joined? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I bet a lot more would have joined, but I stopped it. I closed the clan because I didn't want it to get crazy with these people in there. Oh, and we got one more. So I think that's everyone out of the clan. That was crazy. I didn't know that would happen. So that's the video, guys, and